Do you know when to use mal ou mauvais, and when mauvais becomes mauvaise? Today we are going to see all the differences between them, so you will never mix them up again. First, let's see what they mean and what type of word they can be. Mal and mauvais can be adjectives, adverbs, and nouns. Mauvais will translate to bad, badly, and poor when it's an adjective. Mal will simply translate to bad. When it's an adverb, we are going to have bad this time only for mauvais, and for mal, we have badly. As a noun, mauvais is not as commonly used, but when it is, it's the bad part of something. And mal means evil or pain. Now that we've seen this, let's have a look at the difference between adjective and adverb, because it's sometimes hard to understand. An adjective refers to a noun or can be used to describe the well-being, the state of someone, something. An adverb refers to the verb. Adverb. Adverb. Okay? Cannot mistake in this one. So let's see. J'ai un mauvais français. J'ai un mauvais français. I have a bad French. Mauvais is an adjective. It refers to French. J'ai un mauvais français. But if you say, I speak French badly, je parle mal français. Je parle mal français. It's an adverb. Mal refers to parler, the verb. Now that this is clear, let's see the difference between mauvais and mal as adjectives. Starting with mauvais, which can mean bad, poor, wrong. Mauvais agrees in gender and numbers with the noun. So we'll have mauvais, mauvaise, mauvais, because we don't add a double S, and mauvaise. Let's see 3 examples. Il a de mauvaises notes. He has bad grades. Il a de mauvaises notes. C'est une mauvaise façon d'expliquer. It's a bad, it's a poor way to explain. C'est une mauvaise façon d'expliquer. C'est la mauvaise réponse, it's the wrong answer. C'est la mauvaise réponse. Okay? So we have a bad, we have poor, and we have wrong. Now, mal will mostly translate to bad, after être and verbs of well-beings. Mal doesn't agree in gender and number. This is why it's harder to differentiate the adjective and the adverb of mal. Elle va mal depuis quelque temps. Elle va mal depuis quelque temps. Or, c'est mal de mentir. C'est mal de mentir. Okay? Now the adverbs. Mauvais and mal as adverbs. Do you remember what I said at the beginning? Adverbs, adverbs. Verbs refer to the verb, okay? Mauvais in this case as an adverb means bad, but it's mostly going to be used with sentir and faire. It doesn't agree in gender and number. Adverb in French never agree in gender and number because it refers to the verb, so it doesn't work. Ça sent mauvais ici. Ça sent mauvais ici. But if you say la bougie sent mauvais, la bougie sent mauvais, we don't say la bougie sent mauvaise. We keep la bougie sent mauvais. Okay? And we faire, il fait mauvais aujourd'hui. Il fait mauvais aujourd'hui. And mal as an adverb will mean badly, but it can also mean poorly. Tu as mal dormi? Tu as mal dormi? Did you sleep badly? Tu as mal dormi? Ce livre est mal écrit. Ce livre est mal écrit. This book is poorly written. Mal écrit. Or, il s'exprime mal. Il s'exprime mal. Badly. Okay? Make sense? One last one for mal as an adverb. It can also be found in the expression of quantity. Pas mal de. Pas mal de. J'ai pas mal de travail à finir. J'ai pas mal de travail à finir. I have quite a lot of work to finish. Quite a lot of. Pas mal de. And finally, as a noun, we have le mauvais, which is always masculine. Like I said at the beginning, is not very common, but it does exist, so I wanted to include it in here. Je n'ai pas mangé le mauvais. Je n'ai pas mangé le mauvais. I didn't eat the bad. Usually we'll say je n'ai pas mangé la mauvaise partie or le mauvais morceau as an adjective. It's very rare to use it as a noun. But le mal is much more common as a noun. Le mal, also masculine only. J'ai le mal de mer. J'ai le mal de mer. I am seasick. J'ai le mal de mer. Or j'ai le mal du pays. J'ai le mal du pays. I am homesick. And finally you can say le bien et le mal. Le bien et le mal. Please let me know in the comment section if you understand the differences better. Thank you for joining me today for a French lesson, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my website for a lot of free PDFs, my free books, my books, and more lessons. I will see you next Wednesday for a vocabulary test. À mercredi prochain.